Hello, Cancer. Welcome po sa inyong reading. So, this is for April 8, April the 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, doon po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So nagla-live po tayo doon. Pwede naman po kayong sumali. I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate po sa entire reading na ito or you may resonate lang sa kakaunti, no? Take what's only yours. So simulan na natin. Lately, parang ang daming nangyayari, no? Dito sa relationship na ito. Although, nakikita natin yung stability, pero bakit kailangan may kaakibat na, siguro this is your question, no? Bakit kailangan may kaakibat na hardships, no? Parang kahit yung mga maliliit na plano, nagkakaroon ng aberya, no? To a point wherein, siguro sinasabi natin, eto na ma-achieve ko na no? Sa success na malapit na ako sumakses, no? Pero hindi ko yung sumakses na yun talaga. No, pero hindi ko, kumbaga, almost, I can see it, I can almost touch it, pero hindi pa, no? Um, I feel like it's so near yet so far. Dun sa mga singles, parang eto na magkakaroon na sana ako no, ng jowa. Kaso parang lagi akong parang meron akong mga nakikitang mali. So, ako ang umaalis agad or nagkakaroon ako ng I think that this is because of the past traumas. Hindi naman kita masisisi but you need to heal from that, no? Crushes, I feel like meron namang ginagawa itong person natin na somehow na-reciprocate niya, napapakilig niya tayo. Pero ang tanong mo, hanggang kilig na lang ba 'to? 'No, hindi naman ako pangit 'no, kasi the Empress showed up. So, the Empress is more of aesthetics, 'di ba? So, sinasabi natin dito, kailangan ko pa ba? Meron pa ba akong mga dapat baguhin? Do I really need to change, you know, probably my feature? Kailangan ko ba magpagupit, magpakulay ng buhok? And I think that we are also focusing, no, sa ating nagiging self-conscious tayo ngayon, no? Um, Baka kasi din meron kayong plan of meeting with your person. I feel like there's also some troubles in here, kaya ngayon pa lang nag-aano na tayo, nagpe-prepare, no? Are we on a diet for our beach body? Are we going, nagpupunta ba tayo sa gym to tone up, no? But I feel like meron tayong ginagawa dito. Kasi alam nating mamimit natin si person. No labels and in a relationship. Sama na natin yung married couple, no? I feel like no, doon sa no labels kasi ang nakikita natin dito, parang nandun tayo sa may mga crushes, no? We were preparing for something kasi mag-meet up. In a relationship or married couple, hindi ko sinasabi na pabayaan niyo yung sarili niyo, the Empress still showing up. But then again, I feel like we are more manifesting ang katuparan ng plan, no? There's really something about the travel. I don't know why. It could be just out of town or out of the country. But I feel like meron din tayong, ang focus natin dito is matuloy yung plan, matuloy yung pag-alis, no? Somehow, we're still also in a focusing on our body pero mas more on sa plan. Unlike sa mga singles, crushes, and no labels, more of dito ko sa body. No? Kasi this is secured already. Now, I have to change something in my body. Even sa third party, I feel like nandito siya in a relationship, married, and third party. No? Um, Baligtad. I'm focusing on magkasarilingan kami, matuloy itong plan. But also, ito yung focus, secondary, itong aesthetics, no? With the Strength card, the Knight of Swords, the Six of Pentacles, the Hierophant, the Knight of Pentacles. Meron dito na hindi nagsasabi na merong problem sa finances. I feel like with the Ace of Cups and the Six of Cups, so nawawalan ba ng chance? Kasi yung hindi alam, no, nung kabilang party na meron tayong pinagdadaanan ngayon when it comes to financial. It may be you or it may be your person. Baka sabihin nyo, ay, ako okay lang. So baka si person ito may pinagdadaanan. You can switch the energies. What I am reading is the dynamic naman, no? Baka kasi sinasabi nito, sandali, baka ito yung nagiging problem or nagiging issue, no? Ngayon nung person. Or kung hindi ikaw nung person mo. Meron akong bigla ang pinagagastusan. I don't know if this person needs help kasi gumagawa naman to ng paraan. Pero kung gusto niyo naman, walang sapilitan ito, no? Kung gusto niyo tulungan itong person ito financially para makasama, I feel like you can do so kasi with a higher fund, no, wala naman itong balasubasin or subain ka, no? Mababayaran naman siya. I feel like baka lang magkaroon ng hindi matuloy. So, sabi nila, money can't buy happiness. Hindi, no? Chances are, most likely, money can buy, but not everything. And this is one of those things na pwede, kung meron naman tayong extra, why not sagutin na muna ito, no? And then, I think that itong si person is, ibabalik naman yung pera. With the Six of Pentacles in here, I feel like, ibabalik naman ito, there's transaction. No, matuloy lang ang saya. So, with the Knight of Pentacles in here, medyo malayo pa naman. I feel like nagiging stagnant ito. So, doon ito sa, I feel like this reading is very personal, no? Sa mga cancers na merong mga plans to really go out of town or out of the country. But I feel like these will be the challenges na probably hindi nyo alam or hindi ito sinasabi ni person. But I feel like nagkaroon ng issue dahil may bigla ang gastos. Yeah, so this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, I want you to know na sa kabilang channel po, dun po tayo nagla-live. That is Pabaylan TV. No? Kung hindi nyo po naaabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman po kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo din sa ating website that sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, i-route po kayo din sa website na doon po yung information, amount per question, name, number, QR code for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Pisces, Leo, Scorpio. Yan. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.